Right guys, I just got my hands on the 20. In this video I'll be unboxing it and see what comes inside the box. Okay, a very plain box, just got the Honor lettering and the picture of the phone. On the side it's very plain, similar to an iPhone box, but all the Huawei and the Honor phones they come with similar packaging. This model is a UK model, so I'm pretty sure the worldwide models are similar. I'm going to just open it up and see exactly what's included. Okay, with some little bit of force, the box opens similar to an iPhone box. I've got the phone in the blue colour, so the back is made out of glass. 3 cameras, you can see on the back. Put that to the side right now, and I'll see what else comes in the box. Some standard headphones. This phone does not have a headphone jack. So that's the adapter for the headphone, USB, and the normal headphone jack. USB charging cable, and a charging brick. I've got the UK version, so it's a UK 3-pin. Inside this wallet there is a warranty card, quick startup guide, okay, so back to the phone itself. So we have got a 48 megapixel camera, quad, a Q980 chipset, 32 megapixel front camera. So I'll turn it over, and yeah, nice and shiny. You see the 3 camera there, camera setup. Hopefully it will be better, or more or less the same as a P30. Alright. I'll just quickly set up the phone just to see how it looks and go through the standard window setup. To show you on the side, there's a fingerprint scanner, so it's nice to hold, and on the top of that there's just a volume rocker. So in the coming days I'll do a full in-depth review of this phone, and I'll give you my thoughts on this handset. Thanks for watching.